The innovative Bayswater Mobile Hose Crate from Crusader Hose is the new reeling system to deploy and retrieve your layflat hose. Manufacturing layflat hose for more than 36 years, Crusader Hose knows all about handling and reeling layflat hose. Understanding the challenges of rolling up 200 meter lengths of hose, we were keen to design a reeling system to remedy the situation. Our engineering experts designed the Bayswater Mobile Hose Crate. Made in our Bayswater factory, our fabrication, welding and painting specialists craft the unique and essential reeling system to make layflat hose deployment and retrieval easy. The benefits are efficiency, minimal handling and reduced OH&S risk. Revolutionary in design, the Bayswater Mobile Hose Crate is compact, modular and stackable. The Bayswater Mobile Hose Crate is available in 2 sizes to suit your application. Features include: it's equipped with a universal skid steer attachment, stackable with its interlocking feature, individually operable reels driven by a hydraulic motor and 2 quick connect couplers, free spool capability, rated lifting and tie-down points, safe and reliable, Australian made. Be part of the layflat hose revolution. Let the Bayswater Mobile Hose Crate save you time and effort.